My name is Devashish Boralkar, and I am a faculty at MIT University Shillong, and I am a co-founder at White Rhino Design and Marketing Agency. I recently had an opportunity to hold a course of digital design tools for the foundation year students, where they explored Photoshop and generative AI to create mesmerizing results. This particular campus, with its natural beauty and the atmosphere, surely helps me and the students to actually think about an idea and be with it in some isolation to generate good results, which you might not get anywhere else. Because we designers, we cannot compare our creativity or we cannot quantify it per day. So we actually need such places where we can be one with nature and to think about things from a different perspective, like thinking about some things out of the box. I think for that, nature really plays an important role, where it gives you, where it provides you a certain isolation, certain energies, certain vibrations, where you can just try to think of things from different perspectives.
In this course, we learned about the digital tool, the way we did Photoshop, poster making, product mockups, and generating AI.
So this course has been very fruitful for this 2 weeks. Devashish sir has been a very good instructor. He teached us as students, but rather as juniors, which helped us a lot. Interacted with us very much and gives us his suggestions to improve on our designs, which helped all of the students. So those who didn't have any prior experience with computer and all, they have improved drastically throughout these 2 weeks.
I thank MIT Group for giving me this opportunity to meet the students and teach this course of generative AI and Photoshop, hoping to take such more courses and to collaborate with the institute as well as the students. Thank you so much.